Swan 65 Eden is a truly classic swan design that has captured the imagination of hundreds of sailors since winning the around-the-world race while eating ice cream, fully loaded with good food and all of the creature comforts. She is number 23, one of the few ketch versions built by Nautor. Her decks are beyond gorgeous. They were replaced in 2014. The Swan 65 cockpit has nice high coamings to keep you dry and also very comfortable backrests. She was updated with the helm navigational gear and pod. The main Dodger is in the process of replacement as her owner felt it was too faded after being stuck in St. Martin since Christmas due to COVID-19. Her large foredeck hatch contains the recessed windlass and very good storage for fenders and other gear. The furling is also hydraulic. Her deck space is remarkably clear. There is not many things to catch your toes and trip you. She was refitted with a 1 meter taller rig supplied by Nautor for the Jubilee and also another set of spritters added to the mizzen. She was painted white in 2011, and at the same time, the majority of her deck hardware was upgraded. Her teak and holly floorboards, as you can see, are in great shape with very few blemishes. And as you're walking through the boat, you will notice that the woodwork in general is in superb condition, as during her refit, much of the veneer was replaced. Heading through the starboard cabin, upper and lower bunks into the forward head, which is shared with the forepeak cabin when in use, currently being used as the garage. All of the toilets are electric. Entering back into the main salon, you will see custom roll-top cabinets, and you will notice as the camera passes around again how good the woodwork is. The major refit was done in Finland by ex-Nautor employees, so the work is as original. The port cabin is completely private with its own head compartment. You'll notice again the custom roll-top doors on the cabinetry and the varnished table. Eden has the enclosed galley, which I personally prefer, especially when guests are on board and for extra protection for the cook. There is extra deep freezer space and a modified forward-facing refrigerator and Korean countertops. The chart table to starboard has a double helm seat and plenty room for a full-size chart. Again, custom roll-top cabinets. The main distribution panel has also been redone. And now everything is hidden away nicely. Heading aft The owner's cabin has a double two-port and a single settee opposite. The ensuite head has a custom stall shower and plenty of storage. Of course, the entire boat is air-conditioned with a new generator. You will also see there is quite a bit of locker and storage space. All of the mechanicals on Eden are easily accessible, a well-known feature on a Swan. It is a good deep bilge and the aluminum grid structure for great support. Given that this video was shot 5 days after arriving from St. Martin, it is clear that Eden is and has been a very well-maintained yacht. She is ready to go offshore at any moment on her next adventure.